We produce a wide array of different products, things that go on F-16 fighter jets down to things that monitor the temperature or electricity in your house. 3D Plastics is a custom injection molder that specifically works in thermoplastics and injection molding silicone. We're actually going from a concept that could even be a napkin sketch all the way to a physical part, which will be held in your hand or sold on the shelf in a store. We have a 15,000 square foot facility that we have a total of 11 machines total, 10 thermoplastics injection molding machines and 1 silicone injection molding machine. In the company, we also do a lot of sub-assembly. We do drilling, tapping, ultrasonic welding, ultrasonic inserting. We will do bonding and so many different types of post-molding operations. What a person will do is they'll come to us with an idea and we'll guide them in a direction that helps them create a better design, a more moldable plastic part. And they'll take that design and they might get a prototype made of that. But we will also take that design and have a mold made with that. And from that mold, we'll test the mold, give them some prototype parts and some starter parts and let them see how that works. And from there, we can put added value services into it, such as printing, painting, and some assembly pieces. And from that point, it's sold to the customer and marketed from there. The advantage for our customers, they place one PO and they've got multiple processes done at one time. They get their product as more of a finished product or closer to finished product than they would if they just had something molded otherwise. Well, we have a product that's, the customer is based in Seattle, in the Seattle area, and it's a product called Electric Paddle. It is a very small, compact electric boat motor. We were introduced to this product by our sales representative, Steve Hanneman, and I would recommend Steve Hanneman to anybody to help create better customer connections. And he actually makes a connection to a whole bunch of other industries that our product marries to. And he understands the sheet metals and the die casting and things of that nature that a lot of our products are connected to. So he does help us in making that marriage between the two products. He was able to bring us together with the customer, and we all sat down together at one point in time and went over each individual part that's going to be plastic for this electric paddle. And we made the necessary changes to make it a little more moldable, less expensive, and just make it into a better part. And that's generally what we do with most every part, and we do a very good job at it. One of the things we do right now is we will work with our customers in a way that they will purchase the material and we will store it for them and use it only as they need it. We will keep an accurate inventory and let them know when they're getting low. That's one way to deal with the higher minimum buys from the material suppliers. We are very proud to be one of the people in our area who's recycler of all these kind of materials. I mean, the plastic lids that go in your coffee cups, we tell people to throw that in there just so we're not throwing plastics into the landfills. Quality assurance for our company is many different levels. It starts with the person operating the machine. If there's a condition that's not in conformance with what the customer requires, they will generally set out a sample and another person then takes a look at that. And if it's still undetermined, then they contact me and I would then contact the customer. And then in addition to that, before any product goes out the door, we have a person in our shipping department verifying that it is the part number that the customer has ordered, that it's the right configuration, that it is the right color, and they make sure it's just one last quality check before it goes out the door. Really, customer service is like quality. It's one of the few things that does set us apart. It's one of the few things that, besides quality, that the customers really, really need. We've stated before that we will make one part or 1 million parts. It doesn't matter. We understand that a brand new customer with a brand new product may not need 1 million parts just yet, but we're hoping to help the small fish turn into a large fish someday. My name is Kelly Dundas. I'm co-founder and vice president of 3D Plastics. We're a custom injection molder of thermoplastics and silicone and located in Newburgh, Oregon.